Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Onyinyechiikechiweta, and I'm back with another YouTube support video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an updated version of my how I edit or how to edit video on Android and iPhone. So I did that video sometime last year, 2019. So this is an updated version of that one because the application I actually talked about then, a lot of things has improved over the year. So I'm going to give you guys an updated version of that particular video this year, and I'm going to be looking down on the book I wrote some of the points I'm going to be talking about today, and we'll see how that goes. And if you like, if this is the kind of video you want to watch, if you feel it's going to help you, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to the end of this video because you're going to learn a lot. If you're a beginner, it's going to work for you and you are going to love it. So the first thing I always do, I'm going to give you a rundown on the list of everything I'm going to do before I start editing, so you can understand where I'm going through. So the first thing I always do is to import the clip. The next thing I do is to adjust the brightness, the saturation, the warmth. If the color is not okay, I make adjustment to all those stuffs. The third thing I do is to trim, remove the parts I don't want to work with, so that it gets easy for me. And then the fourth thing I do is to add stickers or any text pop-up effect if there's any I wish to add. Maybe if I'm making a video on where I'm listing points or talking about something, those texts just pop up to spice up the whole thing. And the next thing I do is to add copyright free music. We all know that the application InShot, which is one I used last year, the application InShot, they have music that are free, and you can just, if you feel like, you can attribute the music to the owners in your description box. If you don't feel like, it's still copyright free music. And the next thing I do is to watch my video again, just to be sure that everything is okay and everything is good, there's no problem with it. Then the last thing I do is to export. And if you're exporting, please make sure you export in 1080p or 720p. Those are the quality that is okay. And if your camera, if you shoot on 4K camera, good and fine, sweet, you can now export on 4K. But if you have a phone and you have maybe a camera that doesn't have 4K, you can export 1080p or 720p. Those ones are okay. So without further ado, let me give you guys a practical example of what I'm talking about. You understand? Guys, this is the first interface you're going to see when you open InShot. So I'm just going to click on the video I'll be working with and click on the check mark, and it's loading up. So when you open up, you see this InShot icon. I'm just going to remove it by clicking on free remove, and then set my canvas to 16:9 aspect ratio, just to make it look like that of the YouTube aspect ratio we all know. So I'm going to click on canvas to change the aspect ratio of the video. So you can see 16:9. And then after that, we start our editing process proper. Then I'm going to go to filter and start working on the saturation. I'll click on adjust, just to adjust the saturation, adjust the brightness, the contrast. If there's anything I need to adjust just to make it look good, I will just adjust it so it looks okay and all that good stuff. So this is me trying to adjust the saturation and the contrast so that it looks okay and beautiful to the eyes. So after adjusting it and I'm okay with it, I'm just going to go on and reduce the volume of the video because I don't want to work with the volume. So after that, I will start trimming the parts I don't want to work with. And trimming, we know, is where we remove the parts we don't want, the unwanted parts, we trim it out. So this is me trimming out the parts I don't want to work with. So you can do this. You can also split the video. If you don't want to trim, you can split the video into different parts of clip, just to split the clip into different parts. So I'm click on the check button. Then after that, I'm just going to add my stickers and my text effect pop-up. So guys, this is the stickers we have. InShot has updated a lot of stickers. They now have beautiful stickers. So I'm going to click on the social media icon. I'll click on Instagram, then resize it to the size I want it to look like, and after resizing I just set it aside. And you know basically what you see on most YouTube video where someone just put the Instagram icon and then type their name close to it. That's basically what I'm going to do here. So when I finish resizing the Instagram icon, I'm going to click on the text icon as well, just to spice it all up. This thing is depends on your preference and how you want it to look like. So I've clicked on the text icon. I'm typing my name right now, and after typing my name, I'm still going to resize it again, just for it to look okay and tally with the Instagram icon. So InShot now has updated version of font, like the font is okay, and their colors now has improved. A lot of things has improved in InShot, so I'm trying to resize it over here right now and set it aside so it looks okay for the video and all that good stuff. So this thing is quite easy to achieve if you want to, and I've seen that what I'm doing is okay. I'm still going to add another sticker effect, like pop-ups, maybe text pop-up. If there's something, maybe if I say something like watch this video, it pops up like that, but I didn't want to just type it, so I had to just pick from the vlog stickers we have already. So I'm going to pick the morning routine sticker, just going to pick it and attach it to the video. This is not a morning routine, but it's just to show you an example of how some of those stickers look like, and when you speak they just pop up and beautify the whole thing. So that's one of the benefits, that's one of the use of all these text pop-up, just to spice up the whole thing. So I also added a transition to the text, like the way it comes in and the way it goes out. That's the in and out. You can see there I added transitions to them, so it will be easy to achieve. So when I'm done with the whole stuff, I also added like a write-up, like an intro write-up. Like if I'm introducing a video, I say in today's video we're going to be doing a Q&A, so that Q&A pops up immediately I speak. Immediately I say it out, it just pops up on the screen. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm titling this one my Q&A spilling the truth. So I'll show you guys how I made that pop up and all that good stuff, so stay tuned. So after typing it, I just resized it and I added the transition effect, how it's going to come in into the video and how it will go out, which is the in and out, you can see there. So, and after that I just resized it, kept it at the particular position I want it to be on this video, and played it to see how the effect is showing, and it turned out beautiful. So you can make this in your videos. If you want to introduce any of your topic, you can make this in your video and beautify it according to your preference, just so it looks good on television, on phone, or any of those good stuff. So next thing I'll be doing is to add copyright free music. Copyright free music is something that is quite enormous. You can either choose from InShot featured library, like this particular place, like the music featured in InShot, or you can download from YouTube audio library, which is the one I download from. I use most of my music in my video is from YouTube audio library, just to avoid copyright claim or any of those stuff. So I'm going to pick a music from my music, which is the copyright free music that I downloaded from YouTube audio library. So I'm going to just add it to this test video so you can understand what I'm talking about. So guys, after adding the music to the video, I adjusted the music to the beginning of the video, just so it starts immediately the video starts up. I went to the end of the video and splitted the parts that exceeded the video clip and deleted the part I'm not going to use. So that's what you can see me doing right now. I'm trying to go over to the ending part of the video, split it and delete the part I'm not going to use. So after that, I'm going to click on edit. After that, I clicked on edit and I edited the music, the volume. I then clicked on fade in, fade out, like fade in, fade out, so that the song comes in faded and goes out faded, something like that, if you understand what I mean. So this is me clicking fading and fading it out as well, just so it looks okay. But I saw that the fading and the fade out was just too much, so I adjusted the fading and fade out so it doesn't look too much. So guys, after making adjustment to the voiceover by clicking on record, and then it brings up the permission, I'll click on allow and record a voiceover after the countdown. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a test tutorial on how I edit with InShot. So after that guys, I'll just click on the check button if I'm okay with it. If I'm not okay, I'll redo it, which is the reload button, but I'm okay, I'll just click on check button and then see how it looks like. So I'm going to resize reduce the volume of Happy Mistake, just so I can be able to voice over anytime I want to listen to it. Like if the video plays, the voiceover exceeds the volume of the music, so I reduce the volume of the music because I want to listen to it anytime it plays. So when I finish reducing, I'll click on the check button as well, just to save my settings. So after changing all those effects, I'm going to play the video to see the changes I made. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a test. So guys, that was just a test, so just take it as something I'm just doing to test out what I did. So after that, I am going to play my video over again just to be sure everything is in place. In case you don't hear a sound, I had to do this voiceover, so I'm not going to play any sound from the clip, but just watch what is going on in the screen just to get an idea. Then after that, I am going to work one more time on the sticker, and after that will be all. I'm going to just export the video in 1080p. Like I said, if you're exporting, make sure you export in 1080p or 720p. If you have a 4K camera, if your phone can shoot in 4K, then export in 4K. That is also good. So with that being said, I'm clicking on the save button and I will save in 1080p. So guys, that is all we have for this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.